A good welding helmet is one of the necessary accessories for every professional welder. ANDELI Welding helmet is equipped with a true color dimming lens grill and controllable sensitivity, the shadow, and the delay time, mode switching, low battery warning lights, and other functions. Digital display area. The parameter adjustment is clear at a glance. Large true color dimming window with left and right visualization side windows bring you a real and intuitive visual experience when true color dimming is turned on, as if the whole world is quiet. Compared with non-true color, the true color advantage is clearly visible. Not limited to aluminum welding, it can also be used for manual welding, MIG welding, cutting, even polished. All the functions can bring extraordinary feelings, even in the dark. When there is light, there will also be instructions. This is ANDELI True Color Backend Welding Helmet.